Continuing with my literature search, this time I will be more refining my search here. I will be using only those which are published since 2014. Now, if I click on the first article here, it will take me to the anatomy, head, tongue of the different vertebrates. Now, I will be going through this entire thing and I will conclude that the anatomy of anterior two-third and posterior one-third of the tongue are different in most of the mammals. Now that particular sentence I will be adding here. Anterior two-third and posterior one-third is different in most of the mammals. Now I want to add a reference to that sentence. I will come back to this article and click on this Zotero connector here. Now once I click on that, it will automatically save the metadata associated with this article to my folder in Zotero standalone. You can click Zotero standalone and check whether everything has come here. This is not necessary process for every reference. Now I will come back here to my Zotero toolbar here and type the keyword of that article and search in the references which I have created: anatomy, head and tongue 2018. Now if I click on this, it will automatically add two and it will add the, the reference in the end. Now there is a problem here. It has taken directly, even though there is a journal article here, it has not taken volume, issue, pages and all those things. So let me check here whether those things exist if at all. Now this particular publication, journal article in the Europe PMC doesn't have issue number, doesn't have the volume number, and it doesn't have the date of publication and pages. So it has not taken. So this is an inherent thing which everybody has to look out for. Now if I look for some other article which has got proper metadata, then Zotero picks up those data. However, in this case, I can see that it was published in June 2018 and the Zotero has taken the date. And I can as well see that it is published in Europe PMC. Now I am not sure whether it is a proper journal name or not. So I will be searching that in the PubMed. The same thing, head, neck and tongue. Now this is the actual article published by the Dotiwala and Navdeep S. Sharma. Now if I click on the Zotero connector, it says that it is in the PubMed and it is a book series. So if I click on that, it will add to the Zotero connector, Zotero standalone. Now this is a book. Now it has taken that the book title is Statpulse, the place of publication is Finland, and it has published by the Statpulse Publishing, all those things, PubMed, indexing, everything it has taken. Now if I come back here, I can delete this too and introduce a proper reference, that is anatomy of tongue. So once I click on this, now it has changed to the book reference that is seen in the Statpulse internet. It's a Treasure Island Finland publication, and it is published by the Statpulse Publishing 2018. It can be accessed by this, everything it has taken. Now the magic is, suppose if I interchange these two sentences. Say for example, I don't want this second sentence to be here, but I want that to be here. Now automatically the reference manager will change the number if I click refresh here. Zotero refresh. If I click refresh, the second will become first and first will become second, both in the text as well as in the references. This is the greatest advantage of any reference manager. Happy referencing using Zotero.